In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best PDF reader apps for Android. Whether you need to scan, edit, or simply view PDF documents, these apps have got you covered. Let's jump right in and see what each of them has to offer. PDF Reader, PDF Scanner. The PDF Reader PDF Scanner app is a versatile tool that allows users not only to view PDF files, but also to scan documents directly using their Android devices. The scanning feature enables users to convert physical documents into high-quality PDFs quickly. This app offers a user-friendly interface that supports various functions, such as annotation, highlighting, and adding notes to PDF files. Additionally, it allows for easy file sharing and supports multiple file formats, making it a comprehensive tool for both reading and managing documents. PDF Reader, Scan, Edit VE Sign. PDF Reader, Scan, Edit VE Sign is an all-in-one application designed for users who need advanced features for managing their PDFs. Besides standard PDF viewing capabilities, this app allows users to scan documents, edit text, and insert images. One of its standout features is the ability to electronically sign PDFs, making it easy for professionals to handle contracts and agreements. The app also supports annotation tools, cloud storage integration, and file management options, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. PDF Reader, PDF Viewer. The PDF Reader PDF Viewer app is a straightforward and efficient tool for viewing PDF files. Known for its fast performance, this app provides a clean and simple interface that makes it easy to navigate through documents. Users can easily zoom in and out, search for specific text, and bookmark important pages for quick access later. While it focuses primarily on viewing PDFs, it also supports features like text extraction and file sharing. Its lightweight nature makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fast and reliable PDF viewer without unnecessary features. Thank you for watching our video on the best PDF reader apps for Android. We hope you found these recommendations helpful for managing your PDF documents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content. See you next time.